Hi kittens and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today is a late night edition. And if you're new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Now, sorry guys, my voice is a little gone because I was fighting with one of my sisters per usual. But I'm actually going to be cooking 3 healthy, easy, and delicious snacks that are sure to fulfill because I eat them all the time and they make me feel happy because they're delicious. So, if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and do so. It's Cooking with Hugs. Same with my IG and Facebook channel, Cooking with Hugs. Follow, like, subscribe, all the 9, so you can see when I'm uploading new videos. Hello guys, now, welcome to the first ever Cooking with Hugs, the Love Doctor. Don't be fooled by the glasses I got. I'm not a real doctor. I used to have a lot, now I have nothing. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. The kitchen. Now, today I'm going to tell you guys a little public service announcement. We're going to have a little conversation on how to become a snack. Number 1, you're a bad bitch. There you go. Enough said. Number 2, if any guy out there doesn't make you feel like a snack, dismiss. Where'd you go? Nobody cares. Number 3, when you go to the movie theater, tell him you don't need a snack because you're going. I'm going. That means I'm the snack. You guys get it? And number 4, we're in a generation right now. It's an epidemic. I don't think you guys know this. Where guys feel the need to make girls their side dishes right now. I'm all about a good side. I mean, I love asparagus. I eat it all the time. But I am a main dish. If I am not a main dish Monday through Thursday, I'm a snack Friday through Saturday. And on Sunday, that's the Lord's Day. Now, I'm not going to say that's the best advice you've ever gotten, but I'm close to it. Right, ladies? Now, are you guys ready to cook with me today or what? Because I am. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be making 3 amazing snacks. Now, this first one is super easy, and guys, when I tell you how addicting it is, load, we are making zucchini Parmesan chips. You are going to be snacking on these all day, so beware. Now I'm going to continue cutting these very thinly, and then we're going to lay them on a parchment paper or aluminum foil on a baking sheet. And guys, we're just going to bake them until they're so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Okay, so when you have all of them lined up, you're just going to take some Parmesan or Reggiano, and it's going to be a party in your mouth. Okay, guys, BRB. All right, guys, for snack number 2, we're going to actually make one of my favorite all-time, like, late-night snacks. Like, honestly, when I come home and I'm, like, starving and I want something, like, sweet, I don't go for desserts. I go for a sweet potato. You will thank me later. Now, this is the easiest trick ever, and everybody that's ever tried this is like, this is amazing. So, you're going to take a regular sweet potato, and you're just going to take a fork, and you're going to poke holes all over the sweet potato. Alright guys, there's a potato button on the actual microwave. I've never seen it in my life prior to this year. So you're going to press potato. It says 1. And you're going to say, yup, and you're going to start it up, and it's going to go on, and it's going to actually cook your baby sweet potato to perfection. Cook, little baby. Okay, guys, so our amazing little sweet potato just came out of the microwave. And yes, I said microwave because if you cook sweet potatoes in the oven, you need to clear a week's schedule because it takes forever. Okay, so we're just going to simply cut this bad boy right down the middle. It should be nice and soft and steamy as such. So we're only going to use one half, and the other half you could put it in a Ziploc and actually keep it in the fridge and it stays perfect, guys. So you're going to take the one half that is steaming and you're just going to kind of fluff it up a little, okay? All right, so you're just going to pull it out, make it nice and fluffy. Almost like a mash situation, okay? Perfect. So you're going to take your beautiful little sweet potato and then you're going to drizzle over a little bit of, you know it, Mr. Bear. Because, I mean, I love honey so much. Like, you guys don't even know, or maybe you could start realizing that, like, honey is incorporated in 95% of my diet. I just love it so much because it's natural, it's delicious, and it's sweet, and I like sweet things. Okay, so after you're done with the honey, you're going to sprinkle on some sunflower seeds. Oh, just gorgeous. And that's about it, guys. In the meantime, you're going to start your honey ricotta filling. So you're going to put a little bit of ricotta cheese, like about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Nice and simple. I actually like to put honey directly in the mixture and drizzle it right on top. Hi, Mr. Bear. Thanks for your services, sir. Put it to the side. And then you're going to just simply mix it all up. Delicious. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. And the second our toast is done, we're going to try it out. Alright, guys. So I have this lame toast right here. So you're just going to take your honey and ricotta mixture. Obviously, I put way too much because that's just how I roll. All right, you're going to mix it all over the toast nice and beautifully. Okay, perfection. Perfect. Just looks so beautiful, you know. Drizzle some honey directly over it. I mean, look at that. That's just gorgeous. And let's try it. Hi guys, I'm so beyond excited today. First of all, it's really late. I don't know what time it is, maybe 1, 2, who cares? Now, the first one is zucchini chips. Obviously, I threw them in the oven first so they could bake. The second is our delicious, take a look at that. That's like my dessert when I come home and I'm angry about life. And this is going to be our... Let's do that again, Hagar, because you suck. Okay. Now, these are my 3 favorite snacks. It's not that I like one more than the other because they're all so different. But today, I'm actually going to rank them in how much I like them. So, you guys will decide which one you're going to make first. Now, I'm really craving this like toast situation because who doesn't like a little carbs? So, let's try it. No. I mean, Wow. I love ricotta cheese. I mean, I could eat it all day, every day. I'm finishing this. I don't care. This is phenomenal. I love it. It's like, if it fills every need, you know? You get a little crunch, that creaminess from the ricotta cheese. The honey is so sweet. The blueberries are nice and tart with a little bit of sweetness. It's just a perfect match. I love this last bite. Okay, focus. Let's get to our dessert. It turned into a party real quick up in here, up in here. Okay, so we're gonna take our first bite. I already know Joe. so phenomenal. Put the honey on it. It's a party. Okay. You're going to the side, mister. Zucchini chips. Come on. Come on. Come on, Hagar. You got two for one. It's just so good. It's just so good. Like, you forget that this is zucchini. You could make a batch of these and put them in a Ziploc bag and just munch on them for like 2 days. Chips, potato chips. Guys, as always, I loved cooking with you guys today. Please comment below, like this video, share it with your friends because I'm creepy. And as always, I love cooking with you guys. You know this, okay? Now, 4 hugs. Are you ready? Yes, you are. Let go. 1,
2, come here, sugar mama. 3. The last one's very tight, I love you guys so much. And that's 4.
Always, I love you. Thank you for cooking with me today, guys. And I'll see you on the next time with Cooking with Hugs. Bye.